How to edit gaming videos for YouTube. Hello everyone, welcome back into the channel. On this video today, I'll go out to show the steps on how you can edit gaming videos for YouTube. Well, in order to edit gaming videos, you can simply use various editing apps, right? But what you can do is beforehand, you want to plan the content. So you want to plan the content on what kind of video that you wish to make, on which game, and then you want to go ahead and play the game and make the content, right? So once you have the gameplay recorded, then once you can use screen recording and record it, then you can go ahead and use various other editing softwares. Now I'll recommend you to use PC. You can use your phone, on your phone, the editing apps as well, but I'll recommend you to use PC for good quality. Make sure that the content is engaging and add in background music and such. For it, you can get free music from YouTube Studio. I'll be posting a video on how you can do so as well, so make sure to be subscribed to my channel. If this video was helpful, do like and subscribe.